So let's start the program, get the search plate, and so we could resize this a little bit, like that. Oops. So let's see, we can say we search for a movie, and we have all showing movies with score above 7, and we need, let's say that they need to have at least 10,000 votes, and you get these movies, you get 3,500 movies. If we raise the score a little bit to an 8, you get 614 movies. And as you see, the numbers are decreasing as I browse. That's because the English filter is kicking in as each movie are entering the draw filter. So if I remove the English filter here and I ask for the next batch, we should get probably a couple of foreign movies. Can activate it again. We can demand that we only show genre action, and we could also show these, and we can like action and drama, demand that we only get those. And as you can see, we have a deny filter here, so we're denying documentary and biography. And let's see if we ask for drama only, and we can add action to deny. We shouldn't get any actions, and now we get them again. And there's different ways to sort this. Like we could ask for score from underneath, so we should get like those that are with a score of 8 and above, but we get them from underneath instead of getting the best movie first. Change this here. We should get them from the top. We could also say we have this at 7, and we could get the actor Sylvester Stallone. Let's see, we get like 8 movies as that fit this criteria. Over this we get 39, and we could combine actors like Danny DeVito and Arnold. We get twins, and we could get here, and we could let's see now. Yeah, so we click Arnold, and we get what Arnold has done. Also, we could like director Steven Spielberg. We can get. We also have like Syria score. Let's take just votes, more than 10k. And oops, I mean score, votes, more than 10k. Yeah, it was more than 50k. And this is what we're getting. And we could do like this, like show them from the highest votes. So, like Game of Thrones has the most votes of all movies or series, and they are shown in voting order with the most votes, not the highest score. If we demand to have them drawn with the highest score first, oh, that's the lowest score. No, it's not. It's yes. Yeah, I am asking for the highest score right now, but I haven't entered the criteria. Like, I want votes to be more than 10k to get rid of less known. And we can movie. You can free search as well. You can like spider. Everything that's spider, something. Oh, we need to have a title, spider. And yeah, that's like Spider-Man, I would assume, everything. Or most of them, all of them. Spiderwick. So what else could I show you? Here, spider. No, serious. A couple. So they like 104 votes. I have no idea what this is. And I have like, this is the best movie per year. So from like 63 till today, you can see the best movie for each year, and you can even click on them to get the second best, third best, fourth best, and if you come around you get like, so this is like the worst movie from that year with at least 10k votes. And same here for the lowest movie per year. So these are the worst movies for each year. And these are the best movie for each year on the left side with a female main character. Like and on the right side with the male lead character. One per year, 1975 to 2022. And of course, so if you would combine those, this should be the result. I'm gathering the data from IMDb and TMDb, downloading most of the covers from TMDb and using IMDb's data. It's programmed in Python, and not sure what more there is to show you. Also, these are the most voted movies per year. That's not necessarily the same as the best movie per year, but many times it is. Well, thank you for watching.